Hello, and welcome to video 3 in our series. This video is about your U.S. address. We will discuss its importance and how to make sure it is recorded correctly. The three main things we will discuss in this video are why your U.S. address is important, how to report it to us, and lastly, how and when to change it when you move. The importance of your U.S. address is that it is a federal regulation for your U.S. address to be reported to SEVP through SEVIS. It is also necessary in order to make your I-20 active or DS-2019 validated. Your I-20 or DS-2019 must be activated or validated within 30 days of your document start date. This is an important part of your check-in process at USF once arriving in the US. If when you first arrive in the US you are temporarily staying in a hotel or with a friend, that is okay. You can simply enter the address that you're staying at, and then once you move somewhere more permanent, you will update your address in iStart. There is an entire page on our website dedicated to addresses. If you go to the immigration section, then maintaining your status, you'll find address and phone number updates. It will show you how we format addresses in the US as it's done differently from many other countries. There are also some tips and what not to do. Feel free to refer back to this page later whenever you may move and need to update your address. This is where you go in iStart to report your address or change it when you move. You will find immigration updates in the left menu and then click on Update Local Address and Phone. Here we are showing you what the e-form looks like. It explains in detail how U.S. addresses need to be reported. There will be a link to go to if you live on campus and need to get the correct address for your building. You will report your U.S. address for the first time here and also anytime you move in the future. Please note your U.S. address cannot be a P.O. Box or the university address of 4202 East Fowler Avenue. You can also add or update your U.S. phone number here in this e-form. The e-form will help you put in the correct formatting for phone numbers. If you are living on campus in a residence hall, there's a special way to input your mailing address. Please use the QR code here to go to the website to look it up. This is the USF website for 911 address search. You put in your building code and the street address for your residence hall will come up. It is very important for SEVP that we have your physical location. This would be where you would get food delivered to you or any emergency services. In iStart, there is also a local address e-form in your post-arrival checklist. It will pull in the information you entered in the iStart address e-form and show the local mailing address that's on file, or if there isn't one on file. If you hadn't yet entered it, you can click the link and enter it now. If it is correct, you can click through the e-form to submit. Our office is responsible for obtaining your U.S. address from you and reporting it to SEVP through SEVIS. That is why you will submit the e-form in iStart for us to report. You will also want to update the university on your U.S. address and phone number. This is done in My USF under Resources to Student Self-Service. Once you're there, click View and Update My Information, and then Personal Information, where you can update your U.S. address and phone. Moving, you are required to submit any change of address within 10 days of the change. Once submitted in iStart, we will report it for you to SEVIS. You will continue to report address changes this way even after graduation if you should engage in OPT or STEM OPT. Still have questions? Please come to virtual hours or walk-in hours and we are happy to help. This concludes video 3 of our series. We hope you have a better understanding of addresses in the U.S. and why they are important to your immigration status.